Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to find the center and the radius of a circle. This is not the same as what I showed in the other videos, because we usually get the center and the radius of the circle if the equation follows x squared plus y squared plus ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So take note that our formula in finding the center of a circle in this form is a over negative 2 and b over negative 2. But this will apply only if the coefficient of x squared and y squared are both equal to 1. Now, as you can see, the coefficient of x squared and y squared is 4. So you cannot use the formula a over negative 2 and b negative 2 directly. So what we can do, so if we have 4x squared plus 4y squared minus 24x plus 16y equals to 12, I should find a way to change it into this form. Now this should not be difficult, because as you can see, all we have to do here is to divide both sides by 4. So we have x squared plus y squared minus 6x plus 4y is equal to 3. And since this is equal to 0, we have to make this equal to 0 on the right side, so that will be x squared plus y squared minus 6x plus 4y minus 3 is equal to 0. And from here, we can already apply the formula a over negative 2 and b over negative 2. And that is simply, so negative 6 divided by negative 2 is 3. 4 divided by negative 2 is negative 2. So this is the center of the circle. To find the radius, we have the formula a squared plus b squared minus c. By the way, this is not the general formula that you can find in other textbooks. So this is based on the idea that a is the x value of the center and b is the y value of the center, while c is the constant on the general form of the circle. So in this particular problem, so a is 3, so you have 9, 3 squared is 9, plus negative negative 2 squared, which is b squared, is 4, and then minus negative 3 is plus 3. And 9 plus 4 plus 3 is equal to 16, hence the radius of the circle must be equal to 4. So we were able to answer now the question. So the center is at 3, negative 2, and the radius is equal to 4. Just to make a final note, if the equation of the circle is in the standard form, but the coefficient of x squared and y squared are not 1, you have to simplify it by dividing by a number that will make the coefficients equal to 1. So if this is 4 and this is 4, we have to divide both sides by 4 to make it x squared and y squared. And from there, we can already use the formula a over negative 2 and b over negative 2 to find the center of the circle. And for the radius, we have the square root of a squared plus b squared minus c, where a and b are the coordinates of the center and c is a constant on the given equation. That's it.